Meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for a severe weather outlook. Today it's 2:20 p.m. We're taking a look at the outlook here. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for the Delaware Valley, back through D.C., Baltimore, Charlottesville. This includes Wildwood and the Jersey Shore, Philadelphia, Allentown, the Poconos, up through New York City, where you're going to have a threat level of damaging winds, hail, and actually tornadoes could possibly form in this watch, as there is some rotation in the actual atmosphere available up there. I also see a severe thunderstorm watch coming down a little further south as we're getting more strengthening storms here in the Roanoke Valley and further to the west. So that would not surprise me that we see a watch come out momentarily within the next hour here in the Roanoke area. We'll look at this as the mesoanalysis page, and we're going to have this come to liveweatherblogs.com under experimental products. We're going to have a tab dedicated to severe weather. You can see the storms are strengthening here in the area, but there's some storms popping out in front of this, and that's what we got to worry about. I mean, these storms that pop out in front of a linear area could have rotation and tornadoes, so that's what we have to watch out for. And even down here in the Roanoke area, that does have potential. You can see a line starting to form back here. So my thoughts here is we are going to see a watch go up down here, and you see another line further back, which will be an overnight issue here. Always like looking at our visible satellite. You can see there's thunderstorm development back here, height and cloud tops. So there is storms developing back west of Virginia and West Virginia, and here in the central parts of Pennsylvania, and a big one here in Kentucky. Like I said, this is going to affect us here further to the east. So I always like looking at a visible satellite picture when we're looking at the potential for severe weather. So there is definitely heavy potential, and you can see cool air back here behind this front, as you can see laying across here. I like looking at this because it shows the wind direction, which is the southwest, in front of a western moving storm. That could show a little bit of rotation. And the other thing you have here, you can see where the strongest winds are, right near where these lines are popping up. And look at the Cape. You can see these red lines, 3,000 Cape, 2,500 Cape back here through Roanoke, and up here through New Jersey. So these areas are heavy Cape areas, which means there's a lot of potential energy there. And as these storms move into this little area, with this trough that's sitting across here, we're going to have the potential for severe weather to pop out pretty easily. As the afternoon goes on, the shear levels will get higher. See, in Pennsylvania, have some shear, but this will all progress to the east because of the storm system moving to the east. So we're going to have shear issues coming here. As you see, just have a little bit push to the east here. You get some of the shear involved, you're going to have the potential for tornadic activity. Actually, in these purple areas, the shearing profiles are getting better. So you can see Delaware moving into New Jersey, and here near Roanoke. So you see how this is all occurring as this is your jet stream moves closer to here. And as the southwest, look at the west wind, so you have a little bit of kicking winds different directions. So this is an area that needs to be watched this afternoon. Like I said, severe thunderstorm watch in effect at 8 p.m. for the Delaware Valley. Talking about the Delaware Valley, here is the radar currently over the area. You can see storm popping here west of Philly, storm popping up here near Poconos. That's what we have on the radar right now for there. We're going to move now to the Blacksburg radar, which is a little more active right now. And you can see we actually got severe thunderstorm warnings. Let me pull this back up. Severe thunderstorm warnings are back here. And actually wind, you see damage, 2 trees down, 3 trees down. And you get these storms now moving towards Roanoke as they're moving to the west to the east, and these storms popping along the Blue Ridge. So active afternoon coming. Meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC. We'll keep you updated. Talk to you later.